guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then hello, I'm Nishita and I make videos on skincare, beauty, fashion, lifestyle and a lot more. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel to catch up on all the fun. Also, if you're particularly interested in skincare, then make sure you're following me on my Instagram because I create a lot of skincare related content there as well. I do skincare Saturdays wherein I review my favorite products and a lot of routines. I'm definitely sure you're going to enjoy it, so follow me there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own skincare routine and personalize it according to your needs. Now, I get a lot of questions on an everyday basis asking me to recommend a skincare routine for you guys. So I thought, why not I sit down today and help you guys figure out your skincare routine. Now, before jumping into forming your own skincare routine, I first want you all to understand what is your skin type. Now, I would suggest you to follow the bare face method wherein you'll have to cleanse your face and leave it all bare. Don't apply moisturizer, serum or anything. Just leave it as it is for good 1 hour. After that, if you feel that your skin is really tight and you have flakes or if it feels dry, then you have dry skin. If you have oil secreted only in your T-zone, that is on your foreheads and your nose, then you have combination skin. But if your entire face feels oily, then you have oily skin. It's as simple as that. The first step to building a good skincare routine is to use a cleanser that suits your skin. Now, no matter what skin type you are, you should use a gentle cleanser and also something that does not strip out oils from your skin. The next step in your skincare routine can be serums. Now, serums have really lightweight and that makes it easy to penetrate into your skin and address specific concerns like anti-aging, pimples, redness and a lot more. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 different serums. The first one is hyaluronic acid serum, then we'll move on to niacinamide and then we'll talk about vitamin C serum. Now, I'm going to be specifically talking about these 3 serums in today's video. These are from Eclat and they are super good. I've been using them from a long time now and I absolutely love these 3. If you want to purchase these, I'm going to leave the links in the description box below and you can use my code NISHITHA Nishita to avail 20% off on your purchase. The first serum that we are going to be talking about is hyaluronic acid serum. Now, what is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is a natural substance that's already present in your skin, which is responsible for it to look refreshed, stable, and it also encourages skin renewal. But as the skin ages, the hyaluronic acid in the skin depletes, and that is why our skin becomes more dry, and this is when hyaluronic acid comes into picture. Hyaluronic acid hydrates your skin for a plumper appearance and also minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. So this is the hyaluronic acid serum from Eclat and it has multi-molecular hyaluronic acid. Now this is a hydrating and a plumping serum which also has alpha-arbutin. Now alpha-arbutin is a safe brightening agent which helps you fade out acne scars and pigmentation caused due to sun damage and breakouts. Hyaluronic acid serum can be used by people with any skin type, but I'd like to specially recommend this to people with dry skin and also for people with mature skin. Now this serum has a gel-like consistency and is very light on your skin. It gives you a dewy and a fresh look once you apply it. The second serum that I'm going to be talking about is niacinamide. Now niacinamide is one of the 2 major forms of vitamin B3 found in supplements. It helps you manage acne, redness, wrinkle and pigmentation issues. It also helps in controlling sebum production. So this serum from Eclat has 10% niacinamide. It also has goodness of zinc, hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Now we already know that hyaluronic acid is responsible for making your skin feel hydrated, while zinc helps you in fading away all the blemishes. Talking about the consistency, it has a very light consistency. It feels really light and gel-like, so it gets absorbed into your skin really well without making it feel really oily or sticky. The best part about the serum is it can be used as a part of your morning skincare routine as well as your night skincare routine. It totally depends on you. Again, it can be used by people with any skin type, and regularly using niacinamide serum into your skincare routine can help you reap many benefits. Using it can result in improved hydration, smooth skin texture and reduction of acne and blemishes. The third serum that we are going to be discussing about is one of my most favorite serums. It is the vitamin C serum. Now, vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants that you can have as a part of your skincare routine. When used regularly, it can give you a lot of benefits like brightening dull skin, fading pigmentation, and improving skin texture. When our skin is exposed to UV rays from the sun, it generates free radicals which cause skin damage, and this is where vitamin C can help. Vitamin C has the capacity to stabilize free radicals and also prevent skin damage. It also has an ability to restore health and balance to already damaged skin cells. Now, this serum from Eclat has 20% vitamin C. It also has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, which are both extremely hydrating and moisturizing for your skin. The texture of it is very light, and also it has a slight fruity fragrance, and I totally believe that fragrance in skincare is a personal choice. If your skin does not react to products which contain fragrance, then it's absolutely fine to use it. Like I always say, listen to what your skin and your body has to say. Now, speaking about when you can use this, you can use this as a part of your day skincare routine or your night skincare routine, but I would suggest you to use as a part of your day skincare routine to see more results. Now let's move to the third and the most important step of your skincare routine, and I'm going to be dividing it into two parts. One is the day skincare routine and one is the night skincare routine. Now, the third step of your day skincare routine has to be an SPF. Now, after you apply your serum, make sure you use a good sunscreen lotion. Majority of the skin problems are caused due to extreme exposure to the sun, so make sure you use a good sunscreen lotion. Talking about the night skincare routine, instead of the sunscreen lotion, you can replace it with a good hydrating moisturizer. Now, hydrating moisturizer is really important for your skin. You need to provide your skin all the hydration and the moisturization it requires, so make sure you use a good one. Now let me sum up the entire video. Let's first talk about the day skincare routine. Make sure you use a good gentle cleanser, then follow it up with a serum. Now the serum can be any of the three that we spoke about. It can be either a hyaluronic acid serum, a vitamin C serum, or a niacinamide serum. Then make sure you use a good broad spectrum SPF. Now moving on to the night skincare routine, make sure you use a good cleanser again, which is non-stripping and also very gentle. The second part should be the serum. Now again, you can use any of the three serums that we discussed about, and the third one should be a good moisturizer. No matter what your skin type is, make sure you use a good moisturizer. Now these are the three serums that we discussed about in today's video, and I highly recommend these to you guys because this contains of high quality ingredients and it can suit any skin type. But as I say always, make sure you do a patch test before using them on your skin. That marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram for more such skincare updates. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye.